Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Now we are going to talk about header and footer for notes, how to add date and time, how to add picture, how to add document info, options and positions. So the first one is how to add date and time. Now in the previous video we've learned how to insert header and footer. Now in order to insert header and footer, what do? You put the cursor at the top of the page, then you double click, then you add the header and the footer. But this time around, you're going to add date. So how can we add date and time? Now, when you double click on the header, the tab that pops up, that's the header and footer. There's a date there, so click on the date. Now, how do you want the date to pop up? Now, I'll just choose the first one. Then this is update automatically. So when this one is checked, anytime you open the document, it's going to pick your system time and just put it there for you. So you can just click on that and it is here. Now, if you, let's say the position of this, do you want us to put it here, or do you want to put it at the side, right or the left or in the middle? Then that's where you go to the change position. So under the header and footer, now how do you change the position? Let's say now it is on the left, you want to move it to the right or the center. Now that's the biggest formatting. You go to the home tab, then the alignment, let's pick the right and it is there. So now we've inserted the date. Now let's go for the date and time. Now let's go to how do you add picture. How do you add picture? Now with the same double click, now the footer, go to picture from a file, then you select the picture that you want to add. So I have this, and you see the picture becomes so big for the header. So what do? Let's resize it to the sizable one that you want. Okay, then when done, you can just move it to where you want it to be. Okay, so you can decide to put it here, or you can decide to format it around. And if you want to just move it and it's not moving, then you just go to, see, it's not moving. So just click on the picture, go to picture format. Now go to the position. And now with this, I can still move it to where you want it to be. So picture position and this, now you can move it to where you want it to be. Okay. So now you can see that the size of this, the header, is too small, right? It's either you can put and press the enter key to increase the size, or you can at the same time the header, you can just increase the size from this side. So you can still increase the size. And this to increase the footer as well. You can also increase the footer as well. As soon as you increase it, see the footer also increases. Okay, so that is a way to add picture and the date and time. So that is a way to add this to the title and to resize the title or the header and the footer as well. So now we've added picture, date and time, picture and document info, and we've added the options. Now I want to talk about the options. The options are how to resize the header and the footer, and these are the options that you can just choose from. Okay, so now when you go to the header and the footer, everything that you need to know, it is there. Now watch here. See, when you have the header here, it applies. Let's go to the next page and see. So you have the next page. Okay, so you have page C is also here. But let's say with the options, let's assume the first page, we don't want this to pop up in the first page. What do? Double click on the header and go to header. Now different for first page. So the first page is going to go off. Now the next page is going to start from the next page. So if you don't want the first page to just have the header, you can just select or check this. So that is the options or that you need to know. Okay, so this now you can add picture from a file, date and time, and you can also add document info. In using other version, you have a document info here. You click on it and you can add document file or the ATA or whatever. But with this too, there's also a field that you can add field. Now this field tells you the document information and date and time and all. So the document information, you can add the file, the ATA, or the file size, file name. So now let's add the file name here, and the name is what document 1. So this is the file name. The same thing applies when you go to field. You can add equations. You have equations here now. Index and table, length and references. Okay, so do you have any hyperlink in this? No, we don't. So they're going to work for us. So that is it, and you can add this and all those stuff. So that is a way to add. So page, let's add this page. Okay, so unknown error for keyword. Okay, so that is the way to add. Now if you want to add any other information related to this document, you go to the field for using another version, and with another version too, when you see add information or add document information, click on that, or else you go to the field and they are all here, and just click on that and you get it as well. Okay, so that is a way to add date and time, add picture, add document information, positions, and options. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.